Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on TaroAds. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in taroads.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for TaroAds. Just click on the login button at the top right corner and then you will be taken into the login portal. Once you're in the portal, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. You can simply click on Forgot Your Password to reset your password. Now just type in your email address and click on the Submit button. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from TaroAds which contains a link that will allow you to reset your password. Just click on the button and you will be redirected into the TaroAds password reset page. Just go ahead and type in your desired password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Just click on the submit button after you do so, and now your password has successfully been reset. You can then use your newly set password to log into your accounts on TaroAds. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on TaroAds. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.